Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to be talking about the Pentair MicroBrite, specifically the 100-foot version. So that is part number 620425, like we have here. This is a trade grade item, so you do have to pick this up in store. This is a 100-foot cord, low voltage, nicheless light. So this being nicheless means you don't have to have the big niche in the side of your pool. When you're installing these, always refer to the instruction manuals on them. And this guy here, if you've seen our video on the 50-footer, you just get a lot more cord, exact same light, color light, hooks up to Pentair automation. It gives you a bunch of light show options as well as 5 different solid colors. So this is a great light. Like I said, it's nicheless, low voltage, so you do have to partner this up with a Pentair 100 or 300 watt transformer. And it's just a good color light for your swimming pool. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Thank you for watching.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.